Hey there, future drivers! Are you a fan of the legendary Ford Mustang? Well, hold on to your seats because we've got a list of the top 10 cars that'll leave the 2024 Mustang in the dust. But first, let's take a moment to appreciate the Mustang. For decades, this American classic has been a symbol of power, speed, and freedom on the road. But as technology advances and new models hit the market, it's time to see how it stacks up against the competition. So, without further ado, let's count down the top 10 cars that'll obliterate the 2024 Ford Mustang. The Acura NSX, 2001, 4.7 seconds. Kicking off our list is a car that was truly ahead of its time. The Acura NSX made its debut in 2001 and was one of the first supercars to feature an all-aluminum body. Powered by a 3.2-liter V6 engine, this Japanese masterpiece can go from 0 to 60 in just 4.7 seconds. And let's not forget about its iconic design. The NSX is a true work of art with its sharp lines and aggressive stance. It's a car that looks just as good standing still as it does tearing up the road. It's no wonder this car has continued to captivate car enthusiasts for over 2 decades. The Aston Martin V8 Vantage, 2009, 4.1 seconds. Next up, we have a British beauty that oozes class and sophistication. With its iconic design and luxurious interior, this car is the epitome of elegance and power. The 2009 model features a 4.1-liter V8 engine that can go from 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds. And with its impressive handling and smooth ride, the Vantage is a dream to drive, whether you're cruising down a coastal road or tearing up the track. The Aston Martin V8 Vantage is sure to leave a lasting impression. Audi R8, 2008, 3.9 seconds in the V10, and 4 seconds in the V8. The Audi R8 is a true masterpiece of German engineering. With its sleek design and powerful engine, this car is both beautiful and fast. The 2008 model comes in 2 engine options, a 4.2-liter V8 and a 5.2-liter V10. That kind of acceleration will give you whiplash. But even the V8 model is no slouch, with a 0 to 60 time of just 4 seconds flat. Whether you're cruising around town or tearing up the track, the Audi R8 is a car that delivers both style and substance. The BMW M3 Coupe, 2008, 4.1 seconds. The BMW M3 Coupe is a high-performance machine that has earned a place in automotive history. Powered by a 4-liter V8 engine, this car can go from 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds. But the M3 Coupe is more than just a fast car. It's a symbol of BMW's commitment to performance and engineering excellence. The V8 engine is a work of art, producing a sound that is music to any car enthusiast's ear. In the handling, well, let's just say that the M3 Coupe is one of the most nimble cars on the road. It can take on tight corners and twisty roads with ease, making it a thrill to drive. And with its timeless design, the M3 Coupe is a car that'll always be in style. Chevrolet Corvette Z06, 2002, 4 seconds. The Chevrolet Corvette is an American classic that's been around since the 50s. But it was the 2002 Z06 model that really caught people's attention. Powered by a 5.7-liter V8 engine, this car can go from 0 to 60 in just 4 seconds. And with its aggressive styling and impressive performance, the Z06 is still a favorite among car enthusiasts today. The sound of that V8 engine revving up will send shivers down your spine. And once you hit that gas pedal, you'll feel the power and acceleration that this car is capable of. Dodge Viper SRT 10, 2003. 3.9 seconds. The Dodge Viper SRT-10 is a true American muscle car that commands attention wherever it goes. Powered by an 8.3-liter V10 engine, this car can go from 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds. While the Mustang has its own unique style and history, the Viper SRT-10 is a car that's all about power and speed. It's a car that's designed for the adrenaline junkie who wants to feel the rush of the wind in their face and the roar of the engine in their ears. Ford GT, 2005, 3.5 seconds. The Ford GT is a true American icon, paying homage to the legendary Ford GT40 that won the 24 Hours of Le Mans 4 times in a row. The 2005 model features a 5.4-liter supercharged V8 engine that can go from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds. Its sleek design and racing heritage are equally impressive. The GT's aerodynamic shape and striking lines make it stand out on the road, while its racing-inspired suspension and brakes ensure that it handles like a dream. Mercedes SLR McLaren 722 Edition, 2007, 3.4 seconds. The Mercedes SLR McLaren 722 Edition is a collaboration between two legendary car brands, resulting in a car that's both beautiful and powerful. With a 5-liter supercharged V8, this car can go from 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds. Don't just get fooled by the power. The SLR McLaren 722 Edition has a unique design that sets it apart from other supercars. Its aerodynamic shape and distinctive front grille give it a powerful presence on the road, while its elegant lines and curves add a touch of refinement. Porsche 911 Turbo, 2007, 3.3 seconds. The Porsche 911 Turbo is a car that needs no introduction. With its iconic design and powerful engine, this car has been a favorite among car enthusiasts for decades. The 2007 model features a 3.6-liter twin turbocharged flat-6 engine that can go from 0 to 60 in just 3.3 seconds. Its handling is equally impressive thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system and sophisticated suspension setup. These features make the 911 Turbo not only one of the fastest cars on the road, but also one of the most agile. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is the car that can truly obliterate the 2024 Ford Mustang, the Nissan GT-R, 2009, 3.2 seconds. We have the Japanese-made Nissan GT-R, a car that's been dubbed the Godzilla of sports cars. The 2009 model features a 3.8-liter twin turbocharged V6 engine that can go from 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds. But it's not just about speed. The Nissan GT-R is a car that's designed for performance, with advanced features like all-wheel drive and active suspension that allow it to handle like a dream. Its iconic design with sharp lines and aggressive stance make it a car that turns heads wherever it goes. So there you have it, the top 10 cars that can absolutely obliterate the 2024 Ford Mustang. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. To stay connected with us and not miss out on any of our future content, please consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We look forward to having you join us on our journey to discover the latest advancements and trends in the automotive industry.